What's up guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. And as you can see, I am making a healthy snack. I'm making an acai bowl, and as you can see, I am just prepping all my fruit, dicing them up so I can put them in my bowl. And this is optional, but I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar because those strawberries were not sweet at all. So I got these frozen acai packs from my local grocery store, and I'm going to throw everything in my blender. As you can see, the bananas and the mixed berries. And at this point, really, once you blend it, it's done. You just pour it in your bowl. You get whatever toppings. I'm doing peanut butter, Nutella. Then I'm going to add the fruit I diced up. I almost forgot, I did add some oats to my acai bowl, and I'm going in with a little bit of honey as well. And all you do is top it with your choice of fruit. I'm doing bananas and strawberries. Then I'm just gonna top it off with more Nutella and peanut butter. And you can't forget the honey. And that is it. That's how I make my acai bowls. I also recorded another video of me making a different kind of acai bowl, but I ran out of memory on my phone, so it cut off. But I'm going to insert a picture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.